Consumer Cellular operates as a mobile virtual network operator, sharing infrastructure with major carriers like Verizon and AT&T. This setup can sometimes lead to connectivity issues when the device fails to connect to the network. The most common reasons for not connecting to network errors are misconfigured access point name settings, which act as the gateway to the carrier's network, or the need for a carrier reset to refresh the connection. The first fix is using the automated carrier reset through the Consumer Cellular app. This feature performs a network refresh that cycles the SIM card's connection without affecting your personal data. You can find this option in the app settings on both iOS and Android devices. For the second fix, ensure your access point name settings are optimized for 5G networks. Navigate to your phone's settings under Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, and select Access Point Names. If you're experiencing issues, manually update to use CC Data 5G as the APN. For basic troubleshooting, start by toggling airplane mode on and off, then restart your device. Check for any carrier updates through the Consumer Cellular app. If problems persist, contact customer service at 1-888-345-5509 for further assistance. The access point name, or APN, connects your device to the internet through the carrier's network. Incorrect APN settings can prevent data connectivity, showing messages like "no service." For Consumer Cellular, use CC Data for LTE networks or CC Data 5G for 5G. Check your device's APN settings and update if needed. A carrier reset, also called network reset, refreshes your device's connection without erasing personal data. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then System, Reset Options, and select Reset Network Settings. For iOS devices, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. This will delete network settings and return them to factory defaults. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Consumer Cellular support for a SIM card replacement. After performing a reset, connectivity should improve, as shown by the strengthening signal icon.